Today let's talk about how to fix BRI mobile login problem. Now if you're facing this issue, the first thing that you can straight away do is try to force close the application as well as clear out the app cache and data. So simply tap and hold the application, head over to the eye icon, head over to storage and cache, and right here you should be able to see the option of clear cache as well as clear storage. So quickly tap on these options as well as you need to tap on the force stop option that you'll be able to see. Once you complete this step, try to see if you can now log in. If the login issue still persists, then you also need to ensure that the developer options or the developer mode within your device is disabled. If you're using an Android device, you simply need to head over to the settings of your device, search for developer mode, and if it is enabled, make sure you disable it. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, this could be likely happening due to app bugs. It could also be a service maintenance issue. So the first thing that you can do in this situation is just reinstall the application, as well as you need to wait out a few hours if it is the case of the service maintenance or the server down issue. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.